My name is Brandon Cruz. I live in the Riverview area. And I guess my experience started off with a flare-up. I wasn't feeling well. So I came to Dr. Narasimha, and the first thing she did was she listened. And so one of the main things about treatment is just listening to your patients. And so, my first experience with Dr. Narasimha was just her sitting back and listening to my story and my symptoms and how I was feeling. And it was truly a great experience. And I was on 2 previous medications that, weren't working so well. So she really honed in on which medications would work best for me.
So Brandon is a patient of mine that ended up coming to see us as a second opinion for changes in his bowel habits because he has a chronic inflammatory bowel condition called Crohn's disease. And he had seen other providers in the past and had some success with their treatments, but had not really had optimal control. So having the chance to see him and speak with him and give him the time that his condition requires allowed us to figure out that the medications that he was on may not be working for him as well as they should. And so we were able to work with a team both inside our clinic along with some of the medication manufacturers to give him access to some of the most up-to-date medications for his condition.
I got back to living my life in its fullest, spending time with my family, going to work. I was able to just do normal things such as, go out with some friends and enjoy a meal versus having to watch what I eat because of my symptoms.
So we actually just saw him a couple of weeks ago and he's doing much better. He started the new medication, which thankfully for him, it's actually an oral medication, so it's much easier for him to administer for himself. And he said it's a significant improvement compared to the past.
I can tell that the care team truly, truly cares for their patients, truly cares for me. I'm not just a number to them. I'm not just another patient. I'm Brandon Cruz. I'm myself, and they treat me accordingly. So, Dr. Narasimha, I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for me, going the extra mile, even on the weekends. Thinking about me and calling me first thing Monday morning. I appreciate you going the extra mile. I appreciate you really listening to me and what my body was going through, and I can't thank you enough for the excellent care.